This video is for Tabby and Sabrina because they love these. I don't know why. Got a new Jeffree Star box here. I always love his tape. This was from Black Friday because his palettes were half off. You know, I had to cop some. So I got the email that it showed up. So I went on a walk to the mailbox. Hold on, for reference, I have Jeffree's Thirsty palette, which is this guy. Fun, summery, whatever. The Blue Blood palette of his, which is, you guessed it, blues. Blood Sugar palette, reds. So this, to complete my little collection, I got the Blood Money palette. And I'm saving this bubble wrap for packing, because I'm gonna need that. It looks so good. Look at that. Look at that packaging. Oh, and it's got like, oh, it just feels so great. This is a fun carton. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, what do you do with this box? This is such a nice box. It's like an Apple box. Look. Oh, did you take that off? Let's take it off. I want it off. Oh, I'm scratching the leather. It looks so good. Let's open her. How do we open her? Do I press it? Do I have to turn the knobs? If I can't open it, we can't do it. Wait, do I press it? Oh, do I press both of them? Is it an inward squeeze and then a lift? It's an inward squeeze and then a lift. Good, good, we love that. Look at this. Wait, there you go. Look at this. Look at these. This is Inception now. It doesn't do it justice. Jeffree, this is why you get my dollars. Your storytelling, so good. Then, that was just the palette. Okay, I got more things. Okay, concealer, Magic Star. The shade C4. She's a little damaged, but... My depression is cured. Look at this. Look at that. Do you see that tip? She's so pretty. I have to, oh my gosh, why is the packaging though? But like, hello, open. There's not a thing. Is it a twisty goo? I don't want to break it. Is it a pole? How do you open it? It has to, oh, it's a twist. Got it. I was twisting it the wrong place. Oh, look at that. Look at that applicator. Wow. Oh, listen, we're gonna cover my bags really quick because, okay, for reference, this is what we're working with. We're gonna cover some of this. Just, oh, wow, already. Okay, we're gonna dab. Let's bounce, as Jeffree would say. And I have nothing on my skin. Literally didn't even wash my face this morning. I never wash my face in the morning because the difference. I should have only done one side so you could see. But look at that. I'm really trying to blend it out so it's like not crazy. Because I am planning to go to the gym later. Yeah, I look alive. That is. And a good shade match too. Yeah. 10 out of 10. Okay, and I've always wanted Jeffree's lipsticks, but they're $18. And on Black Friday, they were $8. Of course, I got 4. I originally wanted like 20, but I settled. I showed restraint. How do you open it is the question. Do I have to undo the seal right there? Jeffree, you're asking too much of me. Interesting. Pack up. Do I do this side instead? What's that? I do the bottom side. Got it. Oh, I'm so... Shut up. They're bullets. When I tell you there's never been a brand that understands me more than Jeffree, we have to swatch. It looks, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Do you see that? That is like imprinted on the outside. We're gonna put it on. Let's put it on. Okay. My lips feel gross. But let's just try. This is such a pretty color. Ooh, it's like butter. It's like butter. Butter. We're gonna do all of these, so buckle up, okay? A banger of a shade. I chose correctly. And what's so fun is when you close it, it's like a magnet. I'm gonna take this off. I'll be right back. Unless you're interested in seeing this. I'm like sweating. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I don't want to take it off. But we have to. We want to put on other ones. Okay. Jeffree, hold that. The next one we have, another velvet trap, is called Best Hair. I don't remember what color this shade was, but I'm really excited. Okay, let's see. Look at this shade. You're like, Marianne, are they gonna go the last one? No, this was the last one. This is this one. Let's put it on, shall we? This angle is horrible for you, but deal with it. It's so pretty. I remember I had a roommate in college who was like, Morgan, you look so good in red lipstick. You should wear it more. And I was like, no. This is with no makeup on. It's giving, she killed your husband and you don't care. You're not even mad. You're not even mad. There's 2 more to go. So freaking pretty. Me, not the makeup. This one is called The Perfect Red. And it's pink. I don't know what the difference in the colors is, but pink bullet. Check it out, babe. Ooh. She's like a darker red than Best Hair. Oh yeah. Let's give this one a go. The application, totally messy. But yes, this one, I get why it's called Perfect Red. It's darker than the other one. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. They feel so weird going on. Like it's almost like a sandpaper texture, but it's butter. Like we have one more. Let's go. Should I be working right now? Possibly. Do I want to? No. Ooh, this one is called Paleontologist. I think this one is more the muted one. It's damaged in the tube. That's okay. I'm really not picky. It's like this brownishy mauve kind of color. It's not even mauve, but it looks a lot more brown than it does online. I was going for like a nude kind of color. You know what would look really nice with this one is like a pinkishy nude, like a lip liner. Who is wearing lipstick? Huh? There's red residue on my face. Who's wearing lipstick and like not wearing a full face? But yeah, it's kind of it looks orangey kind of ish on camera, which I'm not mad at. That is I already put the concealer with my makeup. This is the palette. These are the bullets. I freaking love them. I'm obsessed. They feel hefty too, because they're metal. So I get why they're $18, but you know, a deal is a deal. So stay tuned. I want to do something with this, but I don't know. We shall see. Okay, well, that was Jeffree. Thanks for joining.